Yeah, today on Max Handy Gadgets, I thought I would show you this AKASO Brave 7 action camera. Sort of like a GoPro style. Yeah, I just picked that up and I thought maybe I'll do an unboxing of it and show you some of the accessories. Here you go, accessory kit. Let's see if we can open that up. Definitely got a bunch of stuff in there. All these plastic bags and everything. Yeah. Wow. This looks like some sort of belt clips or something. Can't really tell. I'll have to read up on it. Some kind of a suction cup mount. Okay, let's get rid of this box. Yeah, some kind of a suction cup mount there. And I think these were some kind of belt clips or something you slide on somewhere. I'll have to look it up. Bunch of camera mount accessories here, and thumb nuts and all that good stuff. All kinds of good stuff there. Let's see what's in there. Yep. Definitely camera mounts. All kinds of camera mounts. And a bunch of these thumb screws. I guess they go right in there and tighten up. Yep. Okay. Now, I guess it's some kind of a camera mount extension. Yep. This must be, yep, it's a clip for your camera mount. You clip it on things. Man, that's pretty strong. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is your head strap. You put that on your head and you can put the camera right on here. Alright. What else do we have in there? Okay, this is a... Okay, I know what this is. I think it's like a chest strap. And I just figured out what them pieces were for. They slide in here and hold your camera. And you can quickly take off your camera. That's pretty neat. And what else do we have? Looks like we got a mini tripod for the camera. I guess it has a 1/4 inch screw here at the top. That's pretty neat. And this is a... Oh, okay. This is a wristband, goes on your wrist. You can put your camera here, like where you're riding a bike or a motorcycle or surfing or whatever. That's pretty cool. And man, there's a lot in here. You got all kinds of gizmos here. Little sticky pads and all kinds of good stuff. Another little bungee clip of sorts. Camera mount. That's a lot of stuff in there. And this is a flotation device for your camera. I guess you could hold it, and if you drop it in the water or something, it'll float. So you can pick it up again. That's pretty neat. Let's see, what else we have? More thumb screws and mounts. Oh, okay, this is for handlebars of a bike. Yeah. You can put them on there, and or a post, or wherever you want. I guess it would fit up to like a 3/4 inch handlebar and tighten up on there. And you have a bunch of screws and more mounts. And there's a lot of stuff in this kit. Yeah, that's a pretty good kit so far. Alright, what else we have? That's about it for the kit. That's quite a bit. This stand looks pretty good. Really lightweight. Small little wing nut here, tighten things up. I guess it's very convenient. Yeah, this thing probably is pretty neat though. Use this clip. Have the camera on here. Yep, that's a pretty good kit so far. Okay, and I also bought a team group SD card, 512 gigabytes. That ought to be good. I wonder how we format that one, or how long it takes. I also bought an external microphone, AKASO external microphone for it. It's supposed to be for it, so it's supposed to work. Alright. There you have that, but this is the main product here. AKASO Brave. We'll have to unbox this and take a look. Okay, let's open up the box here and see what's inside. Get the camera out. And there we go. Let's take a look inside there. What's in here, I wonder? Well, looks like we got some instructions. Yep, definitely got some instructions here. Got a warranty card. And got a bunch of stuff here. Oh, a remote. I think this remote I think you can strap it to your wrist. I'm not sure, I forget. You got some kind of wrench. A cable. Looks like a small Type-C cable or something there. Yep. Some more mounts. A lot of mounts. Yep. All kinds of good stuff in here. I think these might be the batteries. Yep. They're the batteries. And there's a bunch of things in here. I don't know how they got all that stuff in there. You're never getting it back in there. But we got to take the camera off and see how that looks. Yeah, I was able to get the camera off. You had to give it a little pull. Undo that rubber. Yep, and there she is. Cute little camera. Hope it works good. We're going to be trying it out soon, so we're going to find out. I got to charge up the batteries and all that good stuff. And then we'll put it to the test. And there you have it. Nice bit of kit there. Yeah, now I was just thinking with all this stuff that comes in this kit, I mean, it's just loaded with stuff. You know, all of it. Where the heck are you going to put all this stuff? You definitely can't get it back in the box. Now I'm asking you guys out there, is there a case that you can buy that actually works with all this stuff? I mean, you can just put it in a pocket, and the camera's in a little holder, and just close the lid and away you go. You know, that would be good, because I think I already lost something. That sounds normal.